Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious kimchi fried rice at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of day-old cooked rice, which is perfect for achieving that desired crispy texture. Next, grab 1 cup of well-fermented kimchi. Its sourness is key. Don't forget your protein, perhaps 4 ounces of diced pork belly or spam. Finally, have 1 tablespoon each of gochujang, sesame oil, and soy sauce ready. Now, let's get everything prepped before we start cooking. Begin by dicing your protein, like pork belly, into small, even pieces. Then, chop your 1 cup of kimchi into bite-sized pieces, making sure to save a few tablespoons of its flavorful juice. Mince 2 cloves of garlic and thinly slice about 1/2 of a small onion. For a classic touch, consider frying 1 egg per serving to top your finished dish. It's time to bring all these wonderful flavors together in the pan. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add your diced protein and sauté it until it's beautifully crispy and fully cooked, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, toss in the minced garlic, sliced onion, and chopped kimchi, cooking for another 3 to 4 minutes until fragrant. Finally, add the day-old rice, gochujang, soy sauce, and reserved kimchi juice, stirring well to combine. Almost there. Continue frying the rice mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. You want some of the rice to get slightly crispy at the bottom, adding a fantastic texture. Once it's perfectly cooked, remove it from the heat. Drizzle with 1 teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil and garnish generously with fresh green onions. Serve your delicious kimchi fried rice immediately, perhaps topped with a perfectly fried egg and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.